Sure.
Sometimes people say, my mind is so busy all the time. I always ask the question. I say, how many of you have got a voice in your head? People say, yeah, I've got a voice in my head. And if you were like me when I was younger, I had a choir of voices. There were many voices. Everybody's talking at the same time. It's exceptionally noisy. So if you find your mind is busy and there's just thoughts coming through your mind all day long, then a good question to ask yourself at any time is to say, I wonder what my next thought will be. And when you do that, if you just do that, if you say, I wonder what my next thought will be, and you wait, it's quiet, you'll find there's peace there. And what we want to do, the main goal of being conscious, by consciously thinking or consciously listening to what we're thinking about, what we can do is we can slow the thoughts down and we can create more spaces in our mind between the thoughts. And that's what we want to do. We want to create more space between the thoughts because that's where the freedom is. And in that space is peace. But that's a challenge for most people because their mind is so active and they're worrying about all kinds of things all at once. So when we can listen consciously and we can begin to choose what we focus on and what we give energy to in our mind, then we can start slowing the thoughts down. We can create more peace. And in the peace is where inspiration is born. So I hope that helps. But a good question to ask yourself is, I wonder what my next thought will be, and then listen. And then you'll see there'll be a silence in your mind. And now you can say, what would I like to think about now? What would I like to focus on now?